Aibo, did Mabusi really ask Nokubonga to marry Sphamandla? Hey, here's something interesting. Guys, come on, let's gather here. Firstly, I don't like the way that Mabusi is preparing for her death. It feels so real, and at this point, I'm really convinced that she's going to die. You know, from the way that Tifa announced to Umkhokha that Umkhokha is still going to come back, to Mabusi writing a letter to her son, I don't even want to mention her latest conversation with Nokubonga. That really felt like a dying man's wish. I'm only happy that I've never heard news talking about her exit, meaning that she's not going anywhere. Also, I don't think the model would take such a risk. Phela Mabusi is the second love character following Umamzobe, so letting her go would be such a red flag, and it would lead to a decrease in viewership. And I don't think there's a risk that creators are willing to take. So guys, our favorite character did the unthinkable this past Monday, and as I've mentioned earlier on in this video that Mabusi is preparing for her death. So she is scared of what is going to happen to her husband Ozamcolo and her son when she dies. Another thing guys, I'm so tired of calling the little one Mabusi's son or Ozamcolo's son. Ganti, when are they naming him Vel? Anyway, let's focus on Mabusi. So since she is scared, she sat down and thought, no man, Nokubonga is single and she's a good friend to her, so why not ask her to marry Sphamandla so that when she dies, Nokubonga could be there to console Sphamandla. And it appears that while Mabusi was thinking about all of that, it made sense in her mind, which is where she decided to go to Nokubonga and ask her. Honestly, I thought that Nokubonga would be excited after hearing about this, but instead she was fuming with anger. She even decided to go pack her bags and leave KwaMthembu. Guys, I don't get why Nokubonga is not seeing this the way Mabusi nami sibona ngakhona. I mean, I really do believe that Nokubonga or Sphamandla Mabusi would make a really beautiful love triangle. I've said this in a video that I created a few weeks back. I mean, we hated the Umkhokha plot, but as the time went on, we ended up enjoying it. I know very well that if Sphamandla marries Nokubonga, you guys will hate it, but you will eventually come to love it. In fact, you will also push him to be in his temple because I know that the writers will write the story very well. So yeah, send there in the comment section because I know that you will. Also, don't forget to share your thoughts and opinions regarding this topic, and if you enjoyed the content on this video, please like, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on TikTok. And with that being said, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.